How to remove incognito history on Google. For this, go ahead and open your Google, tap on a profile icon, and tap on New Incognito Mode. Then, once you are here, to remove your history, all you have to do is tap on the tab icon at the top and simply go ahead and tap on the cross icon. So once you do this, you'll be able to remove the history of your incognito mode. This is because the incognito mode do not store any of your search history or watch history. This is because the feature of incognito mode is that it will not store any of your browsing data, which means that it will also not store your search history and watch history. So when you close the tab of your incognito mode, you have also removed the search history and the browsing data of your incognito mode. So we hope that this video was helpful and informative to you, and we'll be back with more such videos pretty soon. So stay tuned.